So, you know, as time goes on, the roof got older and started having leaks, and patching it wasn't an option anymore. And, you know, I've had different companies come out and look at it. I had Property Revolution come out. They looked at it, gave me a really good diagnosis of what was wrong with the roof, best way to repair it long term. I liked the quote, and I liked, you know, the service guy I was working with, and so we went ahead and had the roof replaced. You know, it was a referral from a real estate agent of mine. He recommended, he said he knew Kurt, so I called Kurt, met Kurt, and then he introduced me to Riley, and that's how things went. We scheduled a time to come out and look at my roof. I think they came out within 1 or 2 days. Then I got a nice digital quote package back. It was very detailed with photos of the damaged parts of the roof and an outline of what my options were. And then from there, we, you know, scheduled the roof to be replaced. So like I said, I've been dealing with Riley mostly. Always responsive, texts me, calls me back. There was a foreman on the crew that did the work. He'd text me the day before, hey, we're gonna be out there. Text me the day of, hey, this is what we did today. And then after the job was done, I met with another guy who, you know, I had the option if I wanted to look at the roof or not. Otherwise, they kind of took a drone up, showed me some video of what they did. And, you know, everything looked really good, and it was pretty seamless, really great communication. I'm really satisfied. I had water coming in. I leased that space out to other tenants. Obviously, that's not great when your tenants have wet desks, wet floors. Ever since the roof has been replaced, I haven't had to chase any leaks. My roof is, you know, bone dry, and I'm super happy with it. It was pretty fast. That's what I liked the most about it. The roof looks really good. The construction aspect was pretty minimal. It didn't take up too much of my parking lot. Didn't trash the yard. Didn't, you know, cause any other damage to the building. So from that standpoint, I was super happy. Yeah, you know, roofs are messy, so I was happy with that. The biggest thing is I don't have any more leaks. You know, my roof was probably pushing. I have a partial flat and I have a shingled roof. Both were pushing about 20 years. So I'm super happy to know that I don't have to worry about my roof for another 20 years at least. I thought the project manager was a smart, bright guy. I thought the foreman on the crew that day was, you know, intelligent, smart, communicated with me. The crew seemed to do a really good job. Communication was great. Definitely the video, showing video and photos of before and after, really helpful. Getting you on the schedule as soon as they can when you have a problem was really important. I'd say if you want your roof done right, you don't want to have to worry about it. And, you know, there's a lot of roofers out there. There's a lot of con men. And I found I've worked with a lot of different contractors in the past. I'm in real estate as well. I thought Property Revolution did a great job, and I would definitely use them again. Hire Property Revolution. Thanks, Kurt. Thanks, Riley.